Welcome to our guide on how to write a business plan. In this video, we'll walk you through each essential section to help you create a comprehensive and effective plan for your venture. First, let's understand what a business plan is and why it's crucial for your success. It's a roadmap that outlines your business goals and how you plan to achieve them. The executive summary is your business's elevator pitch. It should provide a concise overview of your company, its mission, and its vision, capturing the reader's attention immediately. Next, the company description details your business structure, your primary goals, and the unique problems your business aims to solve for its customers. Define your core identity here. A thorough market analysis is vital. This section focuses on identifying your target market and conducting a comprehensive competitive analysis to understand your industry landscape and unique position. The organization and management section outlines your team, your legal business structure, and the roles and responsibilities of key personnel. Highlight the strengths of your leadership. In service or product line, clearly describe what you are selling. Emphasize your unique value proposition and what makes your offering stand out from the competition. Your marketing and sales strategy detail how you plan to reach your customers, your pricing strategy, and your promotional activities. Explain how you'll generate demand and close sales. If you're seeking investment, the funding request section specifies the amount of capital needed and precisely how those funds will be allocated to fuel your business growth. Financial projections are crucial. This includes your sales forecast, cash flow analysis, and projected financial statements, providing a clear picture of your business's financial health. By diligently completing each of these sections, you'll have a robust business plan that serves as a powerful tool for guiding your business and attracting necessary resources. Good luck.